Welcome back. Continuing the news. Bus drivers in St. Thomas are frustrated about what they say are declining profits because of the recently introduced JUTC bus service in the parish. Amoy Harriet tells us more.
St. Thomas residents last month on day one of the rollout of Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC buses in the parish.
I never knew I would live to see this day when JUTC out St. Thomas. So I'm giving thanks. I am very, very, very grateful. I'm want the busman and get a run for their money because they're not doing it right over the years.
So said, so done. 1 month later, bus drivers in the parish say they're losing money. TVJ News understands that more passengers are choosing to travel with the JUTC buses. Now, on a coaster bus from Yallas to Kingston, the fare is $250. From Morant Bay to Kingston, $500. Traveling both journeys on a JUTC bus is $100 for adults, $50 for children.
Don't get us wrong, we don't have a problem with the JUTC. It is a development for the parish. That is for one. Two, it is beneficiary to other people. A lot of people then, we might say. But look at us as small investors now. When you bring in the JUTC and the fuel is the passenger who used to take the coaster now, you drop your fare to almost 50%. Tell me now, how are we going to survive when there's nobody taking the coasters? And you guys are saying enough people out here for car. You guys say you record a sale of $1 million in a week. We small investors going to see that in a 2-year, 3-year.
The $1 million the driver is referring to is the $800,000 in earnings the Transport Ministry announced after the JUTC's first week of operating in the parish, a figure that has fueled frustration among the drivers as they say they're now struggling to make ends meet.
Man can't send him kids go school, him having baby mother, him have rent to pay, lighting to pay, water rate to pay. You can't pay, you can't nothing at all. And you're going to find, you set the people in for go rob.
They're proposing that the fare for JUTC be set to the same sum as coaster bus fare.
All we as bus owners / operator is asking the government to assist us is to have the fare just the same as us. That's all we're asking, if you're going to help us in a better way.
But some residents are opposed to this proposal.
I don't think that's a good idea at all.
That wouldn't make any sense because the JUTC especially look out for seniors and children, and the fare is quite reasonable, you know. So why them not say let their fare go to the JUTC?
If the fare even up with for them, people still are going to travel with the JUTC more than them save because of the comfort. Because of the comfort where we get from the JUTC.
Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.